Hello and welcome to another episode of Colorful Finance. This is the third part of Best Affiliate Programs to Register for Beginners. Make sure you didn't skip the previous videos to make sure you know where we stopped. The Etsy affiliate program is number 17 on the list. Crafters, makers, and doers may sell their items on Etsy, an online marketplace, without ever having to establish a website of their own. Crafters don't have to use them if they want to sell their wares online, but none of their rivals have the same market presence or selection of products from independent creators. Etsy is a terrific site to send people who are seeking for a one-of-a-kind item that hasn't been mass-produced, which is good news for new affiliates. Everything from pictures to pet sofa beds might be considered a quirky gift for the recipient or their animal companion. It's so diverse. How does this program stack up against the others in this list? An account with 𝐥𝐤𝐤 is required before you can start marketing this promotion. For every sale made through your affiliate link, you'll get a flat 4% commission. Why you need to join Etsy's affiliate program to sell your products? Visitors can find unique items and services on your site while also benefiting local companies. Per sale, the commission charge is 4%. Time spent on cookie: 30 days. Customers can pay via direct deposit or PayPal for their purchases. The Pepperjam network is number 18. Pepperjam, a network named after the jams the owners used to sell at a local farmer's market, is next on our list. As of this writing, they have thousands of retailers in their list of affiliate offerings. As Pepperjam is a smaller affiliate network, they are happy to work with new affiliates, so you can expect a warm welcome from their devoted affiliate managers, as long as you have an active website to work with them. Why Pepperjam should be promoted? They're a treasure in the world of affiliate marketing, with a slew of CPS and CPA offers worth up to $125 for each referral. Rate of commission, variable. Varies based on the cookie. PayPal and direct deposit are accepted as payment methods. Puma, Lending Tree, Nordstrom, Netgear, Ace Hardware, and many more. Affiliations with Amazon. When it comes to the Amazon Associates program, Diggity Marketing isn't one to promote it. Why? Because you can easily make more affiliate money with other affiliate networks. The fact remains, however, that this program is well liked by new affiliate marketers and those just starting out in the industry. Why? It's incredibly simple to join up for and use. You can promote thousands of products from a well-known online retailer. Their commission rates are lower than those of other similar programs, but they are still greater than those of most. Here are the commissions you may expect to earn for each referral type. Additionally, Amazon's compensation rates are known for fluctuating. What you earn today may not be earned tomorrow for the same referral. In addition to hardware, there are many more. However, there are a slew of more specialized options, such as business services, timepieces, CBD products, pet pharmaceuticals, and emergency preparedness supplies, available. No matter what industry you work in, there are always a few things you can advertise. Even so, this program continues to attract thousands of new affiliates every day. The benefits of Amazon affiliate marketing. As the world's largest online store, they've made it as simple as possible for newcomers to use and earn from. Based on product type, the commission rate is variable. Short-term cookies, up to a day. Direct deposit, check, and gift card are all options for payment. Products, a wide range of options. Affiliate program for eBay partners. Inexperienced affiliate marketers tend to ignore the eBay partner network since they're too busy applying to other, more well-known affiliate networks and schemes. Despite the fact that eBay is a well-known business, most people think of it as an auction site and nothing more. No matter how esoteric a product may seem, you can almost always find it on eBay, where you may then earn a commission for referring new customers. eBay's commission rates are almost the same as Amazon's, but keep in mind that the most popular commodities on eBay are brand new technological products that are still under warranty. In other words, if you're an eBay affiliate, you'll be working with a commission rate of no more than 2%. With that stated, the eBay Partner Network is a breeze to join, with most approvals taking less than 24 hours. How to use eBay's Partners program to your advantage. They have hundreds of millions of products to promote, respectable commission rates, and a reasonably simple application and approval procedure that is relatively easy to follow. As much as 4% commission. 24 hours is the cookie's lifespan. Accepted payment options: PayPal, BankWire. Everything is made up of products. In some niches, it may be a goldmine for affiliate marketers because it contains more than 1 billion active listings. In the following installment, we'll reveal to you a few additional programs that we consider worthy of honorable mention on our list. A junction for the one-way traffic. Affiliate marketing networks like Commission Junction, also referred to as CJ Affiliate Network, do two things better than others: they provide you with access to a wide range of products to promote. And they give you access to an extensive set of tools that can help increase your sales. This is especially true when compared with other more well-known affiliate marketing networks. Affiliate marketing with CJ, aka Commission Junction, has many advantages. The primary advantage of joining the CJ Affiliate Network is that they are linked up with nearly every other major website. Every tiny and authoritative website, from fitness to real estate to marketing, is using CJ to promote their products. As an affiliate marketer at CJ, you can promote affiliate programs in virtually any industry or specialty for free. As soon as you've been permitted to advertise an affiliate offer, you'll be able to promote a wide variety of CJ items on your website or social media accounts. Important benefits to being an affiliate in this program. As a CJ associate, you'll enjoy the following benefits and perks. Use affiliate customer insights, a wealth of data and metrics at your disposal for increasing your revenue. Text links can be uploaded in bulk by affiliates using a two-step upload method on the website. File in the CSV format. There are numerous ways to promote your brand, including banner ads, flash ads, text ads, and even pop-ups and pop-unders. Monitoring your account activity in real time allows you to keep tabs on the effectiveness of your links. 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐬's second. In this network, you'll find more than 2,500 affiliate campaigns that will help you turn your website visitors into leads and purchases. 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐬 provides a wide selection of monetization technologies, such as Content Locker, Product Locker, and Offer Wall, to help you profit from your website traffic. As an affiliate marketer, why should you join the 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐬 network? When it comes to monetizing your website's traffic, it employs content locking technology. For added security, you can utilize their content locking feature. Ebooks and guides. Obtaining and conserving data. Films and audio. Plugins and apps. Giveaways and raffles. In addition to coupons and reviews. Games, cheat codes, and walkthroughs. Access to premium accounts and services, etc. Make sure you possess the copyrights to the above-mentioned content before you lock it. The following are some of the benefits of joining this affiliate marketing program. If you're not sure why you should join 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐬's affiliate program, consider the following advantages. More than 2,500 affiliate campaigns are at your disposal, which you can monetize in over 250 countries around the world. Automated monetization technologies and mobile stats apps with mobile-friendly targeting. Get in touch with our customer service team. Every day of the week, a $35 payment is required as a minimum. Weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly payments are possible for commissions. To assist you keep track of how your promotions are doing on a daily basis. Sweepstakes of $500 each month and so on. Check, Wire, PayPal, Payoneer, AlertPay/Payzer, Western Union, ACH, and more are all accepted forms of payment, direct deposit. 𝐥𝐤𝐬𝐤. A network that allows you access to thousands of advertisers and programs at once is what you're looking for. Try 𝐥𝐤𝐬𝐤, which gives you with all the tools and solutions you need to develop a successful online business. What are the benefits of becoming a member of the 𝐥𝐤𝐤 affiliate program? Most affiliate networks don't offer some of the more intriguing features that 𝐥𝐤𝐤 does, such as quick commissions, 100% commission payouts on a few goods, real-time tracking of campaigns, and so on. In addition, some 𝐥𝐤𝐤 items offer two-tier affiliate commissions, which is a unique feature that isn't available in most other networks, such as CJ, ClickBank, and so forth. The ability to recruit affiliates implies that you can earn a commission when an affiliate you recruited makes a sale using a product from 𝐥𝐤𝐤. Highlights of signing up for the 𝐥𝐤𝐤 affiliate marketing program. Are you still unsure as to why you should choose 𝐥𝐤𝐤 above the competition? To begin, here are some of the reasons why you should join this affiliate marketing program. This is a one-stop shop for all of your affiliate marketing needs because 𝐥𝐤𝐤 allows you to be both a seller and an affiliate at once. Joining is completely free. Depending on the products you select, you can make up to 100% commissions immediately. All of your commissions are deposited into your PayPal account immediately after you generate a sale using your affiliate referral links. 4 Peerfly. There are presently around 4,000 CPA, cost per action, based affiliate ad offers to choose from at Peerfly, which is a very small yet committed affiliate ad network. As an affiliate marketer, why should you join the Peerfly program? A unique one-of-its-kind affiliate ad network that gives timely net 30, net 15, and even weekly payments is ideal for web publishers, affiliates, bloggers, and marketers who want to advertise amazing items that offer huge compensation for every successful transaction. Important benefits to being an affiliate in this program. Consider the following characteristics and benefits if you're considering joining the Peerfly affiliate marketing program as a novice. Tracking options can be customized. There are now over 2,000 active offerings on the site. Payouts of enormous proportions. As an associate, you'll get access to their rewards program and contests. Free affiliate training and tools are also included to help you succeed as an associate. Thank you for joining us, and if you enjoyed our video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.